Hey, this is Steve at CBI Off-Road. Today we're going to show you how to put the half bumper on your GX460. Now, you probably already watched the video of how to cut the plastic and get the truck ready for the bumper install. So today we're going to show you how to actually put the bumper on the truck. So a little tip, anytime you're putting a bolt inside a captive nut like these mounting holes on this GX, you always want to put some anti-seize on it so it doesn't gald in the nut and make it impossible to get out. Doesn't take much, just a thin layer on each one of the bolts will do the trick. All right, put it up here. You're going to want to try and get a bolt in these outside holes. They'll be the easiest to get to. All right, once you get a bolt in each side, then you can go ahead and put the rest in. Don't tighten them down yet. You want to get them all in first. All right, now we're going to pull this cover plate off here so we can get in there to get to the bolts. To undo these fasteners, you got to push in the middle and then pry it up and they come right out. And once you have all the pins out, you just lift it up, set it back. We're going to put the two inside bolts in. All right, there's that. All right, now that we have all the bolts in, we can go ahead and tighten them down. It takes a 14mm wrench. Ratchet wrenches are the best here. Now, we put this one up here without a winch on it, but it doesn't get a winch right now. If you are going to put a winch in it, you're going to want to do that before you put the bumper on the truck. Now, using the 12mm bolt that was supplied with your bumper, put some anti-seize on it, and it goes right in there. This one again, we'll want to leave it just snug until you get the bumper right where you want it. All right, now once you get the side bolts in and the rest of the bolts on the mounting plates snugged up, then you can go ahead and tighten these down. That's how you put on the GX460 half bumper. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to give us a call at CBI Off-Road Fab. Thank you.